let's definitely go ahead and charge up our phone in the proper outlets. And I don't know what this. Yeah, maybe it's too frozen. But it would have been frozen yesterday even more. But see, the blue lights are not turning on. So yeah, guys, let me grab my charger. Yeah, let me grab my the proper charger off the backpack. Yeah, buddy, what we're gonna do is turn you off. Alright, so what we're gonna do, what we're gonna eat. Let's go check it out. Well, we're gonna maybe have some interesting, maybe like a soup, because that'll warm us up. And also, yeah, let's go to the guys. So yeah, see, they have like a chili soup. I think that's actually what I'm gonna have. So this is super hot. We actually have all right, so yeah. They don't have any spoons, but so guys, yeah, let's go grab our soup and pay for it. And see how we feel afterwards. Hi. The soup, and you guys have there like hot cocoa? Hot chocolate, or is there, you can charge me for one? And I get it. Medium. Because I'm gonna eat the soup there on the table, so if that's okay.
Yeah, that's fine. You can use the table, and hot chocolate is over here. The coffee machine, and then option.
that'll be it for now. Sometimes has to go in. Thank you. Okay, so that's a pretty nice deal here. Hot chocolate and I'll grab the hot chocolate in a bit. But yeah, our phone's gonna charge, supercharged, guys. I actually have like salt and black pepper here and everything for your chili. So guys, you guys wanted to watch me eat? Watch me eat. Yeah, my feet are feeling a lot better already. Like, I mean, they're not as bad as they were yesterday, but certainly guys, certainly they're getting on the chili side, because yeah, it hit 31 today, so it wasn't, at least it weren't painful like yesterday. Anyways, let me go find out. So the only thing is that we're gonna have to eat this chili with a fork. They don't have spoons, but it's okay. I'll make it work. Don't worry. And I'll slurp out the bottom. All right. So to the best. Cheers, guys. Bon appetit. Smacznego. Bien provecho. Whatever. Wow, guys, this chili. You know that when you like been cycling for like 4 hours in the freezing cold, and then you get into a gas station and there's this chili, and this chili is like the best in the world, guys. And I'm not saying that, but this is perfect. Something not too light, but not too heavy either, but really warm.